I'm working on my Mazda CX-90. This is the trailer hitch connector, and I need to make a mount for the connector because I use an aftermarket trailer hitch and it didn't come with that mount. I'm doing it a little differently. So I cut this plate out of 1/4 inch steel, and this is going to fit the connector. And then I'm going to weld a piece here. And then this plate bolts to the bottom of the receiver. But I'm basically going to weld these 3 pieces together. And so what I want to do first is just test, do a tack weld and check the fit before I fully weld all this into place. So the first thing I'm going to do is tack weld this part on there. It's supposed to be about a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to verify that with this square. And I'm just going to tack it in case it needs to be something other than a 90. So I've got this piece of metal clamped on there to give me the 90 I need, and also the space. And I'm just going to tack it because I'm not sure if it's going to be right. So here's the trailer hitch connector. I've just got it clamped in there right now just to mock it up and make sure it's gonna be exactly where I want it. And so this is the Mazda CX-90 trailer hitch bracket that's gonna bolt to the receiver there. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it black. Put that coat on there and let it dry and then hit it again. I'm using this Rust-Oleum with it's got this adjustable nozzle. It's pretty nice. I'm just running it on the standard #2 setting.